Hi everyone, welcome to another video where I will show you how I go through my bridal portrait editing process. Now, this process I'll be showing you, I have it already on my Skillshare class, which you could go ahead and watch. You would get 1 month free access to watch the editing part if you just want the editing part only. So you are good to go. Now, let's go through my process. The first thing I'll do is that I'm going to try and apply my presets. I have my presets and it's up there in the Skillshare class also. Yeah. And I use a Fuji. That's what I do. But if you can manipulate the styles, which is also a preset, that's Capture One styles, you will be able to apply it for both Fuji, Canon, or Sony. Yeah, because I explained that in my Skillshare class. So the first thing I do is that I have my bridal styles, which I call pop-up. As you can see, this is before, this after, and it depends on what you want. So you can see this one also. This is called portrait green background. So let me go with this. I love this for the class demonstration. I click on it. The next thing I will do is that I'm going to go to the adjust. I'll quickly adjust some things, like the exposure. I love it a little bit dark. Work on my exposure, bring it down. Okay, I'm good. My highlights, bring it down a little bit. I think I'm good. Okay, then this, yeah, a little bit, yeah, not too much. At 4,000. Yeah, so I think I'm good. Next thing is that I have to make sure that my white is white, so I can just pick this eyedropper and click on this here, and this is white, but now has skin tone. I can just go quickly down to this place here, skin tone, pick the eyedropper, click on this, and just quickly adjust it. Look for that sweet spot between them. Okay, then hue. Yeah, so this is nice and I'm good. The next thing I'll do is I'll just click on copy, click on the next one, click on apply, and you can see I'm good. You can actually sync it at the same time, but I'm just showing you my step-by-step process, like a quick process of how I edit my bridal portrait. So this, I'm done. Command all, you go to export all. Yeah, so let me just quickly create a new folder just for class demonstration. Let's call it I have my class, call it class, I'll call it YouTube. Okay, so here I use the TIFF file. That's what I use to edit my portraits at 16 bits, and I'm good. Export. Yeah, so we're good. The next thing I'll do is that I'll go to Photoshop and upload it. So these are my pictures. Right click with Photoshop. Let me show you how you can use the Retouch4me Panel Cloud AI plugin on Photoshop, how you can use it for your bridal portraits. I just discovered it and it's a really good one. It's like faster for me, and I'm using that for bridal portraits now. Go to plugins, Retouch4me, open it up, and this is what I will play. I would go to Heal, Dodge and Burn, Portrait Volume, Skin Tone. I'm good because of this image. Just doesn't have the eyes open, the teeth, the fabrics. Now I'm good for the fabrics. I don't need the fabrics, so I will just click on retouch. If you need a detailed video, I'll drop a card here on this video whereby you can watch how to use Retouch4me AI Panel. But this video is all about how to use it with bridal portraits. Let's close this out. Yeah, and now I'm good. So let's go in and see what it has done. Heal, here we go. This, no, let's say 15. Dodge and Burn, good. As you can see that even under the bust here, it worked on it. Amazing. Then skin tone, this is just there, nothing much. Portrait volumes, yeah, this is nice. So right now, like this, I can finish up this way if I want to, because I think I'm done. We'll just copy merge it into a new layer, and this, I'm done with this portrait right now. But if you want to color grade, you can color grade now. It depends on you if you want to color grade it, but this is actually a good one right here right now, so I'm good with this. But if I want to do some more, I can do frequency separation, go to flame, play it. Let's say 8. Okay, 7 is good. No, sorry, oh, I made a mistake, 77. Sorry about that. So played, continue, 7. Okay, so 7 is good. Yeah, let me see, what can I do here? Okay, come over here, I go to the mixer brush. All depends on you, so just little mix here and there, and I think I'm good. Nothing much. Clone stamp tool, I want to adjust some edges here. Okay, now the textures on this forehead side. Next thing I'll do is I'll color grade. Now I have the way I color grade my images. It depends on how you want to color grade your images. You can come over here to color balance, and I'll just work with the highlight and shadows. Depends on what you want. So let's say the highlight, you can add a little bit of blue to the highlight. No, okay, so just make it work. This is good. Yellow to the highlight. Let's work on the shadows. One thing you can do is that you can actually select the image and paste it on it. So let me show you how sometimes I would do it if I'm not getting what I want. You can just quickly select subject. If you don't have the new Photoshop, you have to do it manually. Select your subject, which might take some time. For me, I have the new Photoshop, so I'll just Command J. This is good. Then I bring this down here. Okay, now you can see she's not being affected, which is good. I can just play with my background and see how I can make it work. Oh, see that? Yeah, so this is midtones. No, I don't want midtones. I want my shadows. Yeah, now see that. Can you see that? Wow. Okay, so let's bring it down a little bit. Oh, now this is perfect. Yeah, this is how it look like if you don't have the image on a new layer. Look like this. You might like it, but nah, me, I don't want it. So look at this. This is my before. This is my after. Look at that transformation. If you don't have a Retouch4me panel, you can do that using this Flare frequency separation. Just that Bridal portraits take a lot of time, and I want to be fast and just make sure that I'm done quickly. Yeah, so I'm good with that. And this is how I'm going to edit this one, which is good.